As veganism gains popularity, the conversation expands to wellness and holistic nutrition. There are 88 million vegans globally, embracing a holistic lifestyle. Rather than following a generic diet, vegans can benefit by tailoring their plans to their body constitution. Dr. Ravishankar Polisetty highlights how polyscientific Ayurveda supports a balanced vegan lifestyle. Align veganism with Ayurvedic principles for optimal health. Tailor your diet to your dosha. Ayurveda focuses on Vata, Pitta, and Kapha to guide dietary choices. Choose foods that suit your dosha. For example, individuals with a Vata constitution might benefit from warm, grounding foods. Conversely, those with a Pitta constitution should focus on cooling, hydrating options like leafy greens and sweet fruit. 2. Address potential nutrient deficiencies. Vegan diets may lack vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, and iron. Dr. Polisetty recommends lentils, beans, and tofu. Support digestive health with spices and warm foods. Raw vegan foods may cause discomfort. Dr. Polisetty advises warm meals with ginger, cumin, and turmeric to aid digestion. Optimize protein intake with plant-based sources. Maintain muscle mass with vegan food choices. Dr. Polisetty highlights lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. Personalize your diet with Nadi Pariksha. PSA uses Nadi Pariksha to assess doshic balance. Dr. Polisetty personalizes diet recommendations. Nadi Pariksha ensures vegan nutritional needs are met. Tailor your vegan diet for optimal health. Ayurveda guides vegans to thrive on a diet that aligns with their ethical beliefs. Dr. Polisetty emphasizes achieving a balanced, fulfilling vegan diet.